Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can improve your online presence, outrun your competition, and of course get more clients. So first things first, I have the website pulled up here, and I have to suggest that you really need to add more relevant content. And in this case, by content I mean words. The more wording that you add, including the keyword that you need to be found for, the better, because that's going to help you. That's going to help you to be found on Google. So um, that's one of the things, especially in the homepage, because this is where most of the information will go. And if you have sub pages like these ones over here, let's go see personal injury. Same thing, add more content. You have this amount, but you're probably not targeting the correct keywords. And I'm going to be showing you that really quick. If we go and see and take a look at the back end of your website, you're being found for over 1,000 keywords. That's bringing you 100 visits a month to your website. And you have over 9,000 backlinks. Now, backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found on Google as well. And this will increase your domain rating and your URL rating. But keep in mind that not all links are created equal, so you can have thousands of links, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you need to be found for, this will be completely useless. So let's take a look at the keywords that you're being found for really quick, because you also seem to be running some Google ads. Let's take a look at the Google ads first. Um, you're running Philadelphia personal injury attorney, which has a volume of 300, and you're getting 42% of that. Same thing on this one, 150, you're getting 28%. So you're paying that. So each one of the clicks are really expensive. This is 125, 185, $80, 140. So very important to keep that in mind. If he's bringing you the result that you need, perfect. But if not, there's something that's not being done properly. If we look at, if we go and actually see the keywords that you are being found for, let's give it a second. You can see that there's not too much of a relevance here. For example, NJ Transit bus accidents. Do you want to be found for that? Is that going to give you any clients? Not really. Train accident, 100 searches a month, but nothing relevant that can actually help your business grow. Personal injury at workplace. This can be one of them. There's 100 searches a month, but you're on the second page, so you're not taking advantage of that volume search. And we can keep going, but there's not too much of here that I can see is actually helping you. And I can show you here because if I do injury lawyer in New Jersey, straight right off the bat, you see this is sponsored by Google to be here. Then you have your Google ads, like we were seeing before, but you're not targeting that specific keyword. Then you have the map section. This is where you're going to be because 67% of the people that do a Google search, they don't even pass through this. They just go look at the top three here and probably top three here on the organic results. So you could be missing a lot of opportunities here. So these guys seem to be, they almost have the same name as you. And we can look at the website and see, and we can compare that as well. But then you have this other NJ advocates on number 3, justia.com number 4. So I don't see your name here because you're not targeting that keyword. You can have a lot of uh, new leads coming into your website. So if we look on the website over here, they seem to be a pretty big company because they have this specific page just for New Jersey. And you can see on the home page they have this is very important because they have free evaluation. The contact us. Um, they have a little more information than you do, and probably this content is targeting the keywords that they're being found for. So if we look on the back end of their website, let me just copy this really quick. Let's go here. Let's give it a second. And yes, I mean they're really big, and they seem to be having an aggressive marketing campaign because they're being found for over 6,000 keywords. It's bringing in 1,500 of 15,000 visits a month to their website. They have over 700,000 backlinks, and you can see the numbers are really high. So that's something that you want to take in consideration because that's why they're ranking number one. That's why they're being found in number one over there. Oops, sorry on that. Uh, let's see the keywords that they're being found for, and you can have a better perspective on injury law firm. They're ranking number four, and this is huge because this amount is 2,300 searches a month is a lot, and from those 2,300, they're getting 190 visits directly to their website. New Jersey injury lawyer, there's 250 searches a month, and they're getting almost 100, and they're ranking number one. So that's why you see them because they are using their content and their backlinks to target this specific keyword. And you can target any keyword that you want, but I'm just giving you an example of the volume of one of your practices is, you guys do, and how much you can take advantage of that. But I don't want to take too much of your time. If you think we can help you out, we can definitely help you out. Or even if you have any question about how this whole thing works, feel free to reach out. Our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.